first of all, a very happy Mother's Day to everyone. Today we are here to discuss few things about her. So we'll ask some questions to each other and we'll describe 90% of Indian women's how they react and how they behave. So first question.
Let me ask the first question.
Okay.
Sure. One synonym you would like to give to your mother?
One synonym I would like to give my mother. Friend. Your turn.
One synonym which I would like to give to my mother is she is my God, because if she would not be here, I would not be here. So thanks to her production actually. Sure. The next question you'll ask.
Okay. What is the most funny thing you find about your mother?
Most funny thing which I would find about my mother is when she is angry at me and when I irritate her a lot. So she gets very angry and she just bluffs with her words when she is angry with me. So,
Same. When my mother is angry, her face is the most funny thing which we can't laugh on at that moment. But yeah, that's it.
However,
Moving on. One thing which annoys to your mother.
okay, there are a lot of habits from which my mother gets annoyed. She is annoyed by all the habits which I do because she expects me to be a very disciplined
Perfect.
child, perfections, organized, and I am truly opposite of these things. So, what annoys is I always ask her to chop off my hairs, and she gets so much annoyed, and she has only one answer when I used to tell her to chop off. No, she doesn't love my short hairs. And other thing, what used to annoy me when I was in school times, when I bring the tiffin box as it is, when I don't complete my lunch, she gets too annoyed.
And when we don't appreciate
Her
that,
cooks,
huh,
yes.
that is also one of the most annoying thing our Indian moms get
So
irritated of.
they have a common sentence to tell us. अगर तुझको खाना ही नहीं होता है तो तू इतनी मेहनत क्यों करवाती है हमसे?
घर का अच्छा नहीं लगता बट तुम्हारी फ्रेंड की मम्मी का तुमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
But does your mother gets annoyed when you do things? Means which habits does your mother is always annoyed of yours?
I'm a big coffee lover, okay? And I love to go on a luxurious places and sit alone and have a coffee. So first time when I went to Starbucks, I spent around 500 to 600 rupees. From there, I'm fond of it. So whenever I tell her that I'm going to Starbucks, આટલા બધા રૂપિયા ઉડાવવાની શું જરૂર છે? હું આના કરતા તો સારી કોફી હું ઘરે બનાવી લઉં છું, 500 રૂપિયા મને આપી દે છે. So that is the one annoying thing of her.
See, I have also heard your mother telling, કેટલા વાપરીને આયા છો? She has this question on her face. In which kind of outfit you love your mother, or you would always love to see your mother in the same kind of outfit?
She looks really very lovely in all the outfits, but I like her more when she wears western, when she wears one pieces without thinking ke raat so kaise.
I also love my mother in all kind of outfits. I would love to see her in one piece as well, but either it should be fully traditional, it should be saris, or it should be fully modernistic. That is one piece. So I think she would look more young than both of us if our mothers are going to wear one pieces. Okay, what is your mother fond of? What does she love?
My mother is fond of her husband a lot. Her husband, she have really good collection of purses, bags.
Okay.
And my father is fond of gold, so she is fond of gold.
Okay.
These three things.
My mother, as every woman, is a materialistic lover. So even my mother, she is crazy about gold. She loves a lot of gold jewelries. But at the same time, she is also fond of a lot of clothes. She loves to wear different kind of outfit which suits her body type. So she is a shopaholic kind of a person.
Indian women have almost all types of saris in their wardrobe. They must
Agreed.
be Banarasi, Bandhani, even though if they have one Bandhani, but red color नहीं अच्छी एक बांधनी जो है, green color नहीं अच्छी एक बांधनी जो है.
Okay. So, and one situation which always makes me laugh is there was a death in our family. I don't know about who was there, but for that death thing, she had a lot of sarees. We usually wear white sarees, but only and only to go to the death place, she shopped. She went for shopping, and she brought that saree which you should wear on that death places. My God, that thing makes me laugh. मतलब तू અહીંયા भी chance નથી છોડતી કે તું shopping કરીને આવે છે. So that makes me laugh always.
But actually, Indian women, they don't need chance to go and shop. Mood છે, આજે free છે, આ સારું છે, લઈ લઈએ, આ ગમે છે, લઈ લઈએ.
I think that is a stress relief for them.
Yeah, actually, that's really good thing.
Okay, now one dream. What do you see for your mother? What dream do you have for your mother?
I want to take my mother to Thailand on a where she enjoys a girls' company, where she can have a world within her, and she can enjoy her company. I want her to learn to enjoy her own company first.
Okay, one thing which I have a dream for my mother. Before she dies, I want her to visit all 192 countries which
that I don't need to dream. She have that dream, and my father is working on it.
Sure. Now we are coming to the conclusion. As this is our Mother's Day, we all would love to give us a describing word for our mother. I'm damn sure there is a big word list for all our mothers. Yeah. But yes, we are summing up to 5 to 3 sentences or 5 to 3 words for our mother.
One you will go for and one I'll
go for. Done. So what describes your mother the best? A negative and a positive as well.
Safe zone, but at the same time it's a danger zone.
Okay. My mother, she is very bold, but she has very modernistic thoughts at the same time. She is very strict.
Yeah, as
all the mothers are.
I think my mother is very moody. You can never predict that what will hit after this sentence. So before saying anything in front of any of the women, I'm not just talking about my mother, but any of the women. In general, you need to think before speaking that it might, in what way they can take. And
same. My mother, she is also moody. At the same time, she has a very soft heart. Words which are told by me and words which are told by my younger sister hits her the most.
Yeah.
So it is like a samjhi vichari ne bolo.
20% of women are still homemakers, and 20% of women has started working for themselves, started earning for themselves.
So I think hats off to those women who are working at home without any salary, without earning any monetary things, without without expecting anything from us. They are working non-stop with us. So what one message would you like to give on this Mother's Day to all the mothers or upcoming mothers who are going to become mothers? What message would you like to give to them?
First of all, appreciate yourself. Don't expect too much from anyone. Love yourself enough that you can prioritize yourself at sometimes in some situations. Don't let yourself fall down. Always make sure that you are a heroine or a main character into your life first, and trying to be a main character in others' life. Of course, I don't disagree with that point that એક માણસ તમારી અખિલને નથી હોઈ શકતું. Of course હોઈ શકે છે, but એ તમારી દુનિયાનો હિસ્સો છે. It's a part of your life. But દુનિયા તમારી છે, so please love yourself enough, respect yourself enough,
and first build your own character and then build everyone's character.
Heard a lot that औरत की बहुत बड़ी दुश्मन होती है.
But yes, we are going to totally disagree to this thought. Obviously, it was there in the ancient times maybe, but right now I think that a woman is the only person who can bring change
and understand another woman's perspective
and brighten up their life. Yeah.
Happy Mother's Day. Wishing you all to be independent, bold, confident, and most importantly, happy with yourself.